In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, click on Display section and select Advanced. Then tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!